what do you see?
Do you want them scooched up maybe?
Sure, yeah.
You want to scooch up by Ellie's sister a little closer, everybody?
Bring her a little closer.
A little closer.
But you need to sit on your bottom.
Bless you. Need a Kleenex, honey?
Brown bear, what do you see? Bird. I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see yellow duck looking at me. Chirp, chirp. Yellow duck, what do you see? Quack, quack. I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you say? No, no. I see green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? Ribbit. I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see. Do you guys want to read this?
Sure, you like name off the animals. So if you point to them, they can tell you what the animal is.
Brown bear. Red bird. Yellow duck. Blue horse. Green frog. Purple cat. White dog. Black sheep. And a teacher looking at us. That's what we see.